Step 1. Print on dye sublimation transfer paper. Sub 1804TX equipped with Genion Epson I3200 print heads, supports classic CMYK ink set, bulk continuous ink supply system, ensures high precision and more stable printing quality. Support 246 pass different production speed, max printing speed up to 190 square per hour. Step 2. Heat transfer onto polyester fabric. Dye sublimation printing offers fade-free print, with high-quality and permanent colors that are embedded in the fabric, which allows you to do multiple washes as the images remain unfaded. Widely used for signage, home decor, sportswear, fashion wear, etc.